Okay. Looks like everybody just rolled in. Quite a few side-by-sides, quite a few quads. Back here in Kelowna. We were supposed to be up there battling out the snow, but as you can see, all the snow is gone. So whatever. We're just gonna go out and have a good time. Explore the fire. A fire went through here earlier this year and just wiped the whole mountainside out. So we're gonna go check all that out. Maybe check out an old mine too. Well, let's see how it goes. Look who rolls in last. Red Bull sponsored. Oh, no longer Red Bull sponsored.
No, they dropped me after the last.
So you got all this plastic been replaced? Oh yeah, yeah, in good shape.
Just careful with it.
Yep, yep. Tumble Ridge did a number on this thing.
I got lots of zap straps.
Wow, this thing is looking top shelf. You can probably trade this thing straight across with a new Maverick R. There's going to be some crazy mudslides here in spring runoff.
And they just put in this new water treatment plant that runs out of the reservoir.
Down here?
Talking about how it's going to get contaminated.
Oh yeah.
And then the new treatment plant can't keep up.
Wow. We were just here in February, earlier this year, before this fire came through. This fire wiped out the entire area. What a mess. Then you would have seen in the GoPro video on the way up here on the quad, like the ground, it's not going to be able to absorb any of this snow, like the runoff when it all melts. So there's going to be some massive mudslides here in the spring. Wow, that's the old lookout down there. Think the quads are going to make it up this?
I don't know. We'll see where he goes. It's all about the roots that us. We're
Yeah.
side by side.
For sure. Uh-oh. What do you got?
I don't know where Rick went to.
Where Rick went to?
Yeah.
Was he not behind us?
He should be.
Oh, he's driving a Polaris.
I'll let him know that.
He should circle. I smell smoke.
The whole mountain is devastated, eh? Where did it jump the lake? Over here somewhere?
Yep.
Whereabouts? Didn't it got in the landfill too, didn't it?
Right there, yeah, and then over this to the landfill.
Went over there.
And it started on the other side of
Wow.
this.
And how did it start? You?
They don't know.
You were up there having a campfire and
No. No, I am responsible.
probably Ange that started it.
It did.
Wow.
Probably some Boy Scouts.
Film.
I haven't been up here since probably 10 years. Okay, I've wanted to come here for years, just never made it. This guy here's a local and has never gone in here.
No, too scared.
Oh my. Well,
No. I'm gonna hold Jim's hand
we got
today.
I got a headlamp, flashlights. We're good to go. Here we are. Look at this. I don't know how good the batteries are on my headlamp.
Oh, that gets dark fast.
Holy shit.
See, this used to be better if it's frozen.
Yes.
It wouldn't be frozen.
There we go.
Here.
Double flashlight power. So, what's the history on this?
No idea. 1936. Actually, you look that up? Yep.
1936? What were they after?
Gold and silver, I believe.
Silver and gold.
Oh, it's frozen.
Oh,
Neon.
hey, Nathan.
No, not me.
What?
That'd be for Birch too.
Oh, so that's yeah.
Don't fall, flat tire.
Drinking water.
Yeah, have a bath.
Ryan can be.
Ryan can have a bath there.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's nice feeling.
Oh,
The shore.
what's going on here?
That's the same
Are birds hibernating right now?
Well, that's fungus, isn't it? See them?
Yeah, all over the ground.
The white.
Yeah.
Dead end. Yeah. Nothing there. Except for track.
The end.
Wow. What do you mean? Yeah. Keep going.
Definitely gotta go. It's actually it's fairly warm in here.
Yeah. It's nice.
Yeah, I can't believe how warm it is. Oh, there's treasure.
What do you got? Wow. That's pretty cool.
What is it? Is that quartz? Yeah, that's not that cool.
Wow.
It's an empty can.
Yep. You can take it home with you. That's 5 cents.
I'm going to. It just doesn't belong here.
No, that's a dime.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
A dime.
Oh, we were shotgunning. Oh yeah, I should maybe kaboom.
That is something else.
I gotta get it.
So what is this? This is probably a good 300-400 yards, eh?
A little ways.
Yeah, this is the biggest I've ever been in, that's for sure.
Definitely smashing into that, eh? This all would have been done by hand too, little pneumatic drills. Old piece of rail for the ore carts.
That's all there. You can take it up.
Yeah, cool. Wow. Look at all these guys. This whole mine full of gnomes. So we're off to a cabin now after this? Is that the plan?
Yeah, it's pretty far away. It's way back in Bartley.
Okay.
It's really nicely built, and yeah, fire came right up to it, so it's actually still treed, but everything around it is burnt.
Oh,
Yeah, this. This gotta be some kind of fungus.
Something.
Right here it is.
Oh yeah.
You should eat it.
Ooh,
Jeez, let's get weird.
Yeah. Take a lick. Look at all this.
That is fun. It's a little sulfury in the middle. Maybe we're just used to it now. But not bad.
This is Nathan's end here.
Pretty fine shot.
Yeah. It's always so cool when you find stuff like this, isn't it?
My phone.
Yeah, if you can get us into the Carolina mine, I'll definitely be coming.
Be gay,
That's
new
the
news.
Okay.
We can get in there.
That's a new take. Yeah, in here. Yeah, it's so pretty. Is that not bad? Like you smell worse inside of these things, or what?
Yeah, some of them. There we go. It's definitely a pretty ugly entrance, isn't it? With all this shit everywhere.
Yeah, they could have done this out a bit more. Jeez. Wow.
Perfect.
Oh, really?
Very cool. All right. So we're gonna go check out this cabin. Helmet camera's dead, so you don't get any lead up to it. Let's go look and see what's inside. This is where you spent your honeymoon, right?
Yeah, yeah. 5-star.
Ryan and Jerry in there? Lisa?
Yeah, they are.
Gross.
They're on the top bunk.
They're just on top of each other. What do we got? Nothing good? Oh yeah, there is a top bunk.
Yeah.
Ryan and Jerry up there? No.
Jerry book.
Jerry would be too lazy to climb up there. But a nice spot to stop if it's cold, eh?
It's bigger than we need as a little guest
so
cabin at the
Yeah.
cabin. People
Cool.
will stay if you give them too much room on space.
Yeah, 12 by 10.
Does the job. So the fire just burned up this valley right to it, eh? Oh yeah, singed right here too.
The cabin survived.
Yeah. Wow. And then burnt all the way down this. All right, so currently on the ride home after the ride. It was a pretty good day. You know, it's nice that those guys put that ride together, even though it wasn't like a super adrenaline pumping pucker ride. It was still fun to get out and meet everybody. If it wasn't for YouTube, we wouldn't meet hardly anybody. Like, there's only one guy on that ride that I knew before, so that's what makes YouTube so much fun. But anyway, look at all this stuff coming. All this beautiful white stuff. That means track season is almost here. It's pretty soon. We'll be up in these mountains, ripping on tracks. Should be a wicked year.